Solving the cube of life. How the Rubik's Cube teaches us valuable life lessons. Today, I want to take you on a journey one where we solve not just the Rubik's Cube but the very puzzle we face in our everyday lives. Solving the Rubik's Cube isn't just about aligning colorful squares. It's a metaphor for the challenges and opportunities we all encounter. Let's start by understanding the benefits of solving Rubik's Cube. Number one, problem-solving skills. The Rubik's Cube teaches us how to break down complex problems into smaller, more manageable steps. Just as solving the cube requires identifying patterns and applying algorithms, life to demand that we approach challenges one step at a time. Example, imagine you have a big project at work. It feels overwhelming at first, but by breaking it down into tasks, you start to see progress. Just like solving one layer of the cube at a time. This step-by-step approach is crucial in both personal and professional life, helping us achieve our goals efficiently. Number two, patience and perseverance. It's easy to get frustrated when things don't fall into place immediately. And solving the cube is an exemption. But the cube teaches us that perseverance is key. When you make a mistake, you try again. You don't give up because you know that success comes with repeated effort. Example, learning new skill like speaking a new language often feels slow and tedious. But remember, every failure brings you closer to success. Like solving the cube, mastering any skill takes time and patience. Number three, focus and concentration. Have you ever tried to solve the cube while being distracted? It's nearly impossible. The cube demands your full attention and concentration, qualities that are essential for success. In life, it's easy to get sidetracked by distraction, but to truly accomplish something meaningful, focus is key. Example, preparing for an important presentation requires undivided focus. Much like solving the cube, you need to tune out distraction and give your best effort to task at hand. Number four, logical thinking. The cube is built on a foundation of logic. Each move you make has a purpose and you need to anticipate the consequence of your actions. This logical thinking applies to all areas of life, whether in making career decision or managing your finances. Example, think of budgeting your expenses. It requires careful planning and logic, just like the cube, prioritizing necessities, predicting outcomes, and make calculated choices are key to financial stability and growth. Number five, creativity. While the traditional method of solving cube is based on algorithms, there's room for creativity. Sometimes a unique approach can lead to a faster solution. In life, creativity encourages us to find innovative solutions to challenges. Example, in the business world, finding a new way to approach marketing or customer service can set your company apart, much like creating your own solution to solving the cube. Number six, resilience to failure. Mistakes are given when solving the cube, but rather than getting discouraged, we use them as learning experience. The cube teaches us resilience and ability to fail, learn, and try again. Example, starting a new business involves setbacks. You might face financial challenges or rejection, but each failure is an opportunity to refine your approach and grow stronger. Number 7, hand-eye coordination. Solving the cube requires precise, coordinated movements. Your hands must follow the right step while your mind processes the next move. This develop hand-eye coordination, which is essential for multitasking and efficient execution in life. Example, typing reports while managing emails requires the same coordination. The more you practice, the more seamless your multitasking become, just like solving cubes with fluid movements. Number 8, memory improvement. The cube demands that you memorize sequence and algorithms. This constant mental exercise strengthens memory and recall. Improving memory helps you in both work and personal life, whether it's remembering a list of tasks or recalling important dates. Example, preparing for a speech or presentation requires you to remember key points. This memory practice mirrors the mental muscle we build when solving the cube, making us sharper in our daily tasks. Number 9, stress relief and mindfulness. For many, solving the cube provides a break from life stresses. It can be a meditative exercise that brings focus and peace of mind. Example, after a long, stressful day, solving a cube or engaging in another hobby can be a way to reset your mind. It helps you return to work with a clearer head, just a mindfulness practice do in yoga or meditation. Number 10, achievement and confidence. There's nothing quite like the satisfaction of solving the cube. That feelings of achievement boosts your confidence and makes you believe that anything is possible. Success, whether big or small, build our self-esteem and encourage us to face future challenges with a sense of accomplishment. Example, completing a challenges task like running a marathon or landing a big client mirror the confidence you feel when you solve the cube. Its success strengthens your belief that you can achieve even greater things in the future. Here is a powerful life lesson from solving the Rubik's Cube. The Rubik's Cube is more than a puzzle. It's a profound metaphor for life itself. Each twist, each turn represents the choices we make and the challenges we face. At first glance, it appears chaotic, impossible to solve, just like the obstacle we encounter in our journey. But here's as the lesson. Every seemingly random move has a purpose. When lives feel overwhelming and nothing seems to align, remember this truth. Clarity comes from persistence. Just as on the cube requires patience, strategy, and focus to solve, life demand the same resilience and determination. Even the wrong moves can lead to the right solution as long as we learn, adapt, and keep turning. The cube teaches us that success is not about perfection. It's about progress. It's about believing that even in the chaos, there is a pattern waiting to emerge, a masterpiece waiting to be revealed. And when you finally solve it, the lesson becomes clear. Greatness is not achieved in a single move, but in the culmination of many deliberate, thoughtful decisions. Life, like the Rubik's Cube, reward those who refuse to give up, who see every twist and turn as an opportunity to grow, and who embrace the journey as much as the solution. So keep turning, keep striving, and trust that every move, no matter how small, bring you closer to your ultimate masterpiece. Conclusion: the Rubik's Cube is a mirror reflecting life's greatest truth, that chaos is temporary and order is possible for those who dare to persist. It challenges us to embrace uncertainty, to see every twist not as setback but as setup for the solution. It reminds us that progress is born not from speed but from precision, focus, and resilience. In life, just like the cube, every wrong turn is not failure. It's a redirection. Every misstep holds a lesson, and every small victory builds the confidence to conquer greater challenges. The journey is not about perfection. It's about relentless pursuit of progress, about turning the impossible into inevitable. So, as you walk away today, remember this: you hold the power to solve the puzzle of your life. No matter how scrambled things may seem, within you lies the courage to twist, turn, and transform the chaos into brilliance. Rise above the frustration, trust the process, and keep going because the solution is always within your reach. And when you finally solve your own Rubik's Cube, the masterpiece of your life, you will look back not just with pride in the solution, but with gratitude for every twist and turn that lead you there. The cube isn't just a puzzle, it's a promise that with persistence, patience, and belief, you can achieve the extraordinary. Thank you very much. Once again, I'm your tactic provider PH, your trusted partner in unlocking possibilities.